The inside harness as I showed you guys the other day. Now I'm gonna wire up the rest of the engine. You know, like the intake side. All the sensors are very hard to get, like knock sensor, oil pressure, stuff like that. It's hard to get out when the intake manifold is in. So intake is out. Gonna plug what I can plug up and get things together. When that's all done, I'll be back. Yeah, so the baby arrived yesterday, as I showed before. So I just put my manifold back on just to, you know, get a test fit, see what it looks like. Yep. So, put it on and show you guys how it's looking. Well, that's what she looks like now. I was hoping for more clearance, but unfortunately, this manifold does not allow me to clock the turbo all the way down. It's actually touching on the manifold right here. So that's the farthest I can put it. Right there. So, I don't know. Should be able to get a pipe, get the should be able to get the pipe facing down. It's just gonna be a lot of very sharp angle. Yeah, but she's coming along almost ready. The thing is, got the turbo, the clamp didn't come, and also for the V-band and for the intake manifold, I didn't get the adapter for the Bosch throttle body. So yeah, shipping is a BITCH right now. Everything is on back order and all that good stuff, so just gotta wait it out. But I'm trying to source that locally so I can get the fab work done, then send the manifold, downpipe, the turbo housings, both compressor and exhaust, out to get Supra coated. You know, because as I said, the manifold is disgusting, so I gotta clean it up, let it look nice and pretty. So that's the thing now. Later on today, I'm gonna finish up my brake lines and such, and I think I'll be upgrading these brakes. Yep, I'll be upgrading these brakes, and I'm switching over to wells. This is one of my wheels, so I'm switching over to that. But that's a entirely different video. Okay, guys, keep you updated on this process here. Peace. Yeah, more goodies came in. I was racing as I'll just cut the tapes. What's going on in here? So I got the wire kit for the battery relocation kit. Yeah, got that, and I got some center caps for the weld wheels. So I'll be putting that on shortly. And I didn't get the battery box because I have I'm getting a smaller one, I should say. But yeah, these will be installed later on today. Let me see this. Gotta be using one hand here. Yeah, these very nice. It's good. Okay. Let me just start work. Install these now. Wow, everything. Okay, gentle people, so I started to calibrate my drive-by wire this morning, and I was having some problems, so I'm gonna try again. Well, one of my sensors was unplugged, so I put it back on, and now I'm gonna try. So when you're calibrating the drive-by-wire, we just go by a wizard. Go to setup wizard, come on. And then you'll see it out right over here. So it's drive-by-wire tuning, hit that. Enable 1, okay. Then drive-by-wire setup. It will give you the option here if you want to run, if you're running 2, throttle body or 1. So we're just doing 1, so calibrate sensor. And you know what, before we hit that, because they have custom ones in here for different cars. So I'm gonna go with the Porsche 997.1 because that's the one I'm actually running. Gonna hit this and start. Okay. Disable this, I don't need that. Yes. Okay. So this one now we gotta do full throttle to get, see how that goes up. Then it says waiting. Sample. So the problem I was having right here is the overextending of the sensor on the pedal. So what I had to do was remove the pedal, install a pedal stop that's adjustable, and reinstall. After that, I went ahead and configured the sensor, and then the tuner actually came on and took over. I gotta do this thing over. Yeah guys, so I do some late night remote tune right now. So my tuner is setting up the tables and all right here. So maybe a little while, but we'll get it going. Yeah, man. Anyway, I gotta send him over some information, and then I'll get back to this. All right, cool. Yeah guys, so first startup since drive-by-wire. I took a drive, it needs tuning. Still gotta connect boost control and stuff, so it's only running off wastegate spring now, and I think that's 21 psi. So I'll set that up later on, but yeah, not bad. Just needs nice tuning. back seat, put the seat in, and you know, all the good stuff. But ready for the tuner now. Ready.